2018 Midlands Mountain Bike Series has headed to Parkwood Springs in Sheffield for some urban XC racing, literally a mile or so from the city centre.
So enjoyed racing here at Parkwood Springs today. We've got a good view of Sheffield on the other side of those trees. It was nice to see that when you're riding around. And then a good fun course as well. I've not raced here since I was 15, so it was good to come back.
Okay, so I raced in the Midlands round 2 of the series today, and we're at Parkwood. A really good course. It's quite short and lots of punchy climbs.
It's one of my favourite venues, Parkwood Springs. I've only ever done it in the dry, so it was a bit of a new experience. Yeah, I was leading for most of the race, but crashed a bit heavily on the last lap. Snapped my brake lever, so managed second after riding half a lap with a broken brake lever.